Breaking news! BRICS announces their 2025 plans. What will happen to the US dollar? We are less than 5 weeks away from the 2024 US elections. But a bigger problem is looming: the future of the US dollar. According to economist Art Laffer, the dollar is becoming like an out-of-control paper currency. The US government's actions, using the dollar as a political weapon through sanctions, have eroded international trust in the currency, which has led many countries to look for alternatives. The United States' growing debt makes the problem even worse, since the only solution seems to be printing more money, which devalues the dollar even more. While the media focuses on the elections, a crucial global event will take place before them: the annual BRICS summit in Russia. The BRICS group, which recently included countries like Saudi Arabia, Egypt and the United Arab Emirates, continues to expand. Currently, 24 countries have applied to join the alliance, which seeks to move away from using the US dollar in the global economy. At this meeting, they are expected to present a multi-currency payment platform and a roadmap for a common BRICS currency backed by gold. This move is a direct threat to the dominance of the dollar in the global economy. China, for its part, has made progress in making its currency, the yuan, used more globally, especially after trade tensions with the United States since 2016. A graph from the Brookings Institute shows that while in 2010, 83% of China's international payments were made in dollars, today 53% of China's cross-border payments are made in yuan, and this percentage continues to increase. Richard Turin, author of a book on China's digital transformation, argues that the US dollar is facing a perfect storm due to sanctions, debt and technological advances. Digital currencies and cryptocurrencies now allow payment systems outside the control of the US dollar. The dollar's influence is also waning in the oil trade. At the end of 2023, JP Morgan reported that 20% of global oil sales were already being made in currencies other than the dollar, a warning sign for the United States. Saudi Arabia, historically an ally of the United States in the oil market, has also shown interest in strengthening ties with China, boosting trade in yuan and signing a currency swap agreement with China worth 50 billion yuan. In addition, Turkey, a member of NATO, has shown interest in joining BRICS after failing to join the European Union. President Erdogan will participate in the BRICS summit, reflecting a global trend towards moving away from US influence and the dollar. As for the impacts within the United States, Laffer warns that the fall of the dollar will cause inflation, high interest rates, and expansion of the Federal Reserve's balance sheet, which will worsen the economic situation for the average American. Gold has hit all-time highs, and Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies continue to gain popularity as alternatives to the dollar. DeFi Technologies has grown over 310% this year and offers opportunities in the cryptocurrency sector. DeFi provides ETP products, the European version of ETFs, and has record revenue, making it a profitable company in the growing cryptocurrency market. The company has applied to be listed on the Nasdaq, which could attract new funds and institutions. Furthermore, DeFi Technologies is supported by key figures such as Anthony Pompliano, an influencer in the crypto space, and its directors own 45% of the company, which shows their confidence in the company's future. In short, the global economy is changing, with countries and companies moving towards a future with less dependence on the US dollar and more adoption of cryptocurrencies and financial alternatives, which redefines the balance of economic power in the world. The BRICS nations have unveiled a plan that could shake up the financial world: a new currency. This is a giant step towards a more diverse financial system that's less reliant on the US dollar. How would it work? Well, this new currency, which doesn't have a name yet, would make trading between BRICS countries easier. They wouldn't have to rely so much on the US dollar, which could make their own currencies stronger. Experts say this could have a huge impact on the global economy. Local currencies could become more valuable and currency markets could change drastically, but it's not all smooth sailing. There are also significant challenges. A strong financial infrastructure is needed, and they have to overcome resistance from already established markets. The world is watching closely as this story unfolds. Could this be the end of the dollar's dominance? Only time will tell. To fully understand what's happening in the world, we need to talk about Putin's role in BRICS. As the leader of Russia, he has pushed for a strategy to strengthen cooperation between member countries and reduce their dependence on the US dollar. We're going to explore how Putin's policies have influenced BRICS' decisions and what we can expect for the future. Putin has a vision for BRICS that includes greater economic and political integration. He also aims to create an alternative financial system that challenges the West's dominance. He has launched several initiatives, such as the creation of the new development bank and promoting the internationalization of the ruble. With this, Putin demonstrates his commitment to a multipolar world. In short, Putin's leadership in BRICS has not only strengthened Russia's position globally, but has also created new opportunities for cooperation and development for member countries. With his strategic approach and long-term vision, Putin will continue to be a key figure in the evolution of BRICS in the coming years. Additionally, his influence has led BRICS to consider new forms of collaboration, including trade agreements and infrastructure projects that benefit all members. Putin's vision is not only focused on the present, but also on the future, ensuring that BRICS remains relevant in the global economy. With his leadership, BRICS is well positioned to face the challenges of the 21st century and seize the opportunities that arise. In conclusion, Putin's role in BRICS is crucial to its continued success and its ability to influence the global economy.